We will start with a new chapter. Chapter 12, the periodic table. The modern periodic table. So this is the modern periodic table in the figure right here. The modern periodic table is one of the most important tools that a chemist has. This chapter explores how this table works. So let's look at the elements in this table and how are they arranged. And let's learn what is meant by groups and what is meant by periods. Also, we will see the real shape of the periodic table. The real shape is how it initially looked, but then the scientists changed it, and it is now called the modern periodic table, which is very important. So let us start. In this table, we'll talk in details about the periodic table and its elements. This is the modern periodic table. Over the years, a lot of periodic tables were designed, but this was the last periodic table that the scientists decided on. It's very important to know how are the elements arranged in the periodic table. They are usually arranged in a high order of the atomic number, meaning from the element having the smallest atomic number to the one having the highest atomic number. So in the modern periodic table, the elements are arranged in order of atomic number. The atomic number is the number of protons having a positive charge in the nuclei of the atom. Here we have the real shape of the periodic table. This is how the periodic table initially looked like. If you look at the chemistry books, we do not find this shape. We find the one we saw before, which is the modern periodic table. So what does groups mean in the periodic table? The vertical columns are called groups. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0 groups. These vertical columns are called the groups. However, the horizontal ones are called periods. I'll repeat, the vertical columns are called groups. However, the elements in the horizontal rows are called the periods. For example, lithium, sodium, and potassium are found in the same group, since they are in the same column. However, lithium and beryllium are found in the same period, since they are in the same horizontal row. So group is vertical and period is horizontal.